1 second. So don't use my cursor. Okay. So see the same thing. Now what happened? So like this LU, they want to get number of records for each join, inner join, left to join, right to join. They want only number. Okay, after number, if you give correct, they don't ask explanation. If you give wrong answer, no, they'll ask the explanation. Okay, see compulsory question. See one more time. So what I'm trying to say. So questions will be like this only. If you face anything, no, L1 or L2, level 1 or level 2, okay, compulsory this type of questions will be. See, this is almost like 20-30 questions are there. So this type of questions only they're asking in interviews. Okay, so see the same thing. Tell me. Okay, how many records for inner say just now discuss? So
9 records.
no. See one
No,
second.
no,
Okay.
no.
See how many records?
15 records for
12.
inner join.
15 records will be there. Okay, I'll explain the logic. Don't worry. See simple logic only. Okay, so see the same use case. Okay, so this is the logic now. See, I'll explain. So simple only. If you're able to understand this logic, so entire concept is simple only. Okay, compulsory you'll get one question will be there. Okay. So take the screenshot. Okay, now see, tell me. Okay, this is record. Tell me, can you go for like this? One matching, one matching, one matching.
Yeah.
No, it's not problem. Like you can able to do like this. It is not. We'll have less records. You should go for it. Same thing. Suppose like go for 2. Okay, go for 2. It is not positive. Now what happened? This type of question, how to handle? I'll try to give one trick. Okay, so go back here. So go for simple thing. Okay, see the same use case. Go for snipping tool. So see the questions will be so like this only the things will be okay. They'll use like this and they want to find numbers. Okay, how many cards for each join like this. Now what happened? This type of questions. Now what we'll do? So which is the left table? So this is left side table. This is the right side table. So take the left side table. How many ones are there here? See 1, 2. Okay, so 2 ones are there. So see, take the left side table. So how many ones are there? 2 ones are there. So mark like this. Okay, mark like this. And how many ones are there in the right side table? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So simply 4. So what we should do? Simply we should multiply. So 2 4s are 8. 8. What the point? 1 second. So let me explain. I can able to say. Okay. So see, let me hold for some time. Okay, I'll explain. Okay, see. So 2, I have noted all things. Okay, 2. So left side table, 2 records. Okay, 2 ones are there. Right side table. So 4 ones are. So simply 2 4s are. So go for one more color. Tell me 2. How many 2s are there? 1, 2 are there. Okay. In right side table, how many 2s are there? Single 2. So it says simply 2 into 1. It is 2 records. Okay, go for other color. Okay, like this only, but into now we'll have less time. We should say answer correctly. We should think in our mind calculation. Now 4 is there. How many 4s are there? 2 4s are there. And what about in table 2? How many 4s are there? 0 is there. So simply it's a 2 into 0. It is 0 records. And one more thing is that inner join we don't consider not match records. Okay, so that's why we don't consider this 4 records. Okay, see 4 records. Now see, so this is clear so far. Now go back here. Go for different color. Okay. So 4 is not getting. Go for 5. 5 is there. 5 is not there. So what is inner join? Tell me. Just now we discuss. Inner join is nothing but what? Common records. Okay, or match records. Match records. Okay, how many records are there? Match records. Tell me. So it's a
total 10.
8 plus 2, 10
10
records. 10 records. Okay, say 10 records. Okay, say 10 records. What about left join? Left join logic is what we discussed. It's a combination of no.
Inner
Before
join,
that, what? No, what we
complete
discussed?
Complete
inner
records
join
left
plus
and
unmatched
complete
record from
right.
the left table.
Got it. Okay, see the same thing now. See, okay, see, go back here. Now, what discussed so far? See, inner definition is the what? Returns all the records on the left table and match records on the right table. So that is definition. But what we should say simple. So for understanding purpose, see, it's a combination of inner join plus remain records on the remain records on the left table. So see this image important. 1 second. Okay, yes. Okay, this is important logic. So what is left join is a combination of inner join plus remain records on the left table. So this is important. So it's a inner join plus remaining
unmatched is okay.
Remain records. Okay, so remaining records in the sense like what? Unmatched records. You can say unmatched records from which table? From
left table.
Left to table. So this is the logic. So see, left to join Okay, left join equal to what? So inner join is
10.
nothing but say 10.
10.
Okay, so 10.
Plus
So
1.
10 plus, okay, which records are remaining? So see
Four.
this image. Okay, only this
Four.
record is remaining. So it's
2
a
records.
so
are there.
10, 2, okay, 2
Yeah,
records.
two
So
records. are there.
okay, see 10 plus 2.
2.
Same thing. What about right join we discussed? So right join is a combination of inner join. So this is important. Inner join
Yeah.
plus
Unmatched
remaining
records from
Inner
right
join
table.
plus
remaining records
Unmatched
from
record from the right table.
in the right.
right table. Okay, see the same thing. So right join it is. I'll explain one more time. Don't worry. So
Yeah.
10
Yeah.
plus.
Yeah.
So which
1.
records are there? One record
5.
is the
Plus
pending. One
one.
record.
Yeah. One.
And what
Yeah.
about full join? So full join is a combination of it's a
Inner
join.
join plus
Uh,
unmatched record from left table
Yeah.
okay, so records from
plus
left
Complete. One
and
inner and left and right.
plus
left and
right
right.
table.
Left right table. Okay, see the same thing. So 1 second. So see the same use case. Okay, so 1 second. Okay, so full join. So full join is nothing but what's a combination of inner is 10 records. So see left table, which records are remaining? Left table, so 2 records, right? So 2 plus 1. It will be 2 plus it is totally 13 records. What about cross join? Cross join is nothing but say table 1 into table 2. It's a what? So what's the thing? Okay, see. So 6 are 36 records. We'll see one more time the same logic. We can get conclusion. Okay, see this is very important. So one more time, go back here. So first they'll ask what is joins. Then they'll ask what are the types of joins. Okay, joins, then types of joins. Okay, so syntax. Okay, so syntax will see the select pointers. We should say types of joins. What are the types? Next you will go for, they'll give like this, and they want to give number of records for each join. So logic is that what inner join I'll explain. So it's a matched records. Okay, so matched records. So left join it's a combination of inner plus remaining records from left to table. So here left table is the main table. So control D, go back here. So it's a right join. So what is the right join logic? It's a inner join plus remaining record from a right table. What about full join? Full join is a combination of so inner plus remaining records from left plus right record, right table. Okay, what about cross join? So cross join is a combination of it's a simply or cross or Cartesian product. So both are same. It's nothing but say table 1 into table 2. Same logic. We'll see one more time. So see, go back here. So we should do all this thing in mind calculation. See, so 2 ones. Okay, see 2 2 2 4s are 8. So 8 we should put in the mind. Same thing. So 2 2. So 2 ones are 2. It is 10 record. So what about nothing? So 4 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 2 plus 1 like this. 6 6 there, 36. We'll see one more use case. We'll close this topic. Got the point? Compulsory question will be there on this topic. Okay. Now take the same use case. Okay, we'll see nulls later point of time. As of now, see the same thing. Nulls will see. Okay, later point. Null is differently. Now see the same thing. Tell me how many cards for inner join? Now tell me. Unmute and try to say.
4 records.
How many?
4.
4 records.
So see 2 2s are 4. Okay, what about left? 4 plus
4
6.
plus
2.
6.
2. 4 plus 2. What about right?
6.
4 plus 2.
Right only
4
6
plus
only.
2 6.
4 plus 2
6
6.
only.
Okay, what about full? 4 plus 2 plus 2.
4
8.
plus 2 plus 2 8.
Okay, see the same thing. Now come back to the same use case. Okay, now see the same use case. Now tell me. Tell me what is the join for inner join?
15. 15.
It says 3 5s are 15 records.
15.
What about left join?
All are
15.
15.
Okay, see important logic. See what happens. See when all records are matched, then what happens? So see all are matching. See, so 3 5s are 15 records. So what is inner join? 15 record. What is left join?
15.
So inner plus remaining records. So 15 plus 0. See 15 plus 0. 15 plus 0 plus 0. Got the point. When you have same records, inner join, left join, right join, full join, cross join, have all the records will have 15 records only. Got the point. See, so what is we discuss? Inner join is nothing but common records 15. What about left 15 plus 0? 15 plus 0. Okay. So same thing. When you have same records, all the joins like inner, left, right, full, all they'll have okay, same number of records. Same use case. Go back here one more time. Tell me same thing. So these are the questions. Okay. So these are the previous attended batch questions only. Okay. Now see table A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 records are there. Here 5 records are there. Tell me for inner join how many records will be there?
5 records.
5 records. So matching records. What about left gen? 5 plus?
5 plus
5 plus?
5 plus 5.
5 plus
10.
5. What about
10,
right gen?
10,
5
10.
plus? Right gen? 5 plus?
5.
5 only.
No,
5
no,
only.
what? 5 only. 5 plus? 5 plus 0. 5 1. What about full gen? 5 plus?
5 plus
10
10,
records.
sir.
5 plus? 5 plus 0.
Five.
Okay. What about
0.
cross gen? Cross gen?
10 into 5.
50.
50.
50.
15. 50. 5.
5
10
0.
5 is 5 0. 50 records are there. Okay. Same thing. Go back here one more time. Okay. So we'll see the nulls. Okay. So 1 second. Hold on. Okay. See the same use case. Tell me, so some tricky question is there. Okay, so table 1 has 10 records and table has 15 records. Okay, so see, table 1 has, okay, I'll try to explain. So table 1 has how many records? 10 records. Okay, table 2 has 15 records.
15.
10 records. Okay, this is fine. Now what happened? 8 records are common. Okay, 8 common records are there. Common records are there. Now question is that what? Okay, see. Okay, how many records for inner join? Tell me, how many records for inner join?
8 plus 2 plus 7.
Inner join, inner
Common.
join, inner
8,
join.
8, 8.
Inner
only.
join.
8
Inner
only.
join 8 plus
8. So answer
8
will be
plus 2, 10.
8.
10 why?
Table 1 has 10 records.
common
From the
records.
8 records are common.
So how
No,
many
inner-
records for inner join?
So
Inner
8 plus
is
2, 10. Inner is 8.
Inner join is how many?
8.
8.
8, eh? Okay, 8 records. What about left join?
10.
8, 10.
Okay, 8 plus 2, 10. What about right join?
No, sir.
No, why?
Inner join 8 into 8. Both the tables 64.
We'll see same thing. Okay, right join how many? We'll see the logic. Right join is how many? 8 plus? 8 plus? 8 plus?
No. This is wrong.
stable.
Inner join is 64, sir.
No, we'll see. Okay, like understand the same thing. Tell me, suppose like I'm having records like this. So 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8. Now how many cards?
8 into 8, 64.
Why 8
Right.
8 8?
Sorry. No.
8
8
only.
records. 8
8
only, sir.
records. 8 only. What about right join? 8 plus? 8 plus?
8 plus 7.
7 records.
Seven.
7 records. Okay. What about full join?
8 plus 2 plus 7.
8 plus 2 plus
Records.
7. So this is fine. What about cross join?
It will be 150.
Product.
150 records.
Okay, see, so this is fine. Now you should ask the question, common records, and see, this is 1 1 is common, 2 2 is common. Suppose like I'm having data like this. Okay, so 3 3.
One.
Okay, so totally 8
Yeah,
records.
that's
Tell
what.
me then.
Yeah. That's all I told.
Tell me, suppose like this. Now what happened? Tell me, how many cards for inner join?
64
so
records.
It
So
will
8
be
records are there. 4
64 records are there.
7. Okay, suppose like 8. Here, okay, null is there. Here, something like, okay, so records are there. Tell me, how many cards for inner join?
Inner record
3.
total.
Inner join, inner
1
join.
minute.
Inner.
1 2
It will be 8.
8 common records. 8 common
64.
records.
64.
8 8
64.
64.
64.
64. Okay, 64. What about left join? Left join.
64 plus
64 plus
Two.
which records are
Two.
remain? 2 records.
2.
So what
records.
about right join? 64?
Plus
Yes, sir.
2.
2.
64 plus 7. 7
No,
no?
no.
No, so say
One
15
more
records.
record.
15
No,
records.
you are taking this. Yeah.
15 records. Okay. Same thing. What about full join? So 64 plus 2 plus 7. So see, remember.
7.
So okay, this is also common records. 1 1 2 2. This is also common records. Okay, we should ask the question like all the records are same records, all the records are different records. That's the same. So see, so they have different answers. See, if you go for this, different answer. If I go for this, different answer. Got it? So this also common records. This also common records. Okay, but if see both are individual, then what happen? You'll get 8 records. When both are same, you'll get 64 records. Got the point? So you should ask the counter question. So common records in the sense like what? 1 1 2 2 3 3 or 1 1 1 like this, 8 times like this. Okay, got the point? So you should ask the counter question. Okay, so don't say follow blindly. Ask the question. What the data? How the data? What exactly it means? Okay, because interview is nothing but what you should understand the question. Then only you can able to get it done. Okay. Same thing. Go back here. Like this way. So see this data. Say correctly. Okay. So see. ID is the column 110 11220. Okay, tell me for inner join, how many cards for inner join? So think slowly, don't be in a hurry.
5
Four.
records. Five
4
records.
plus 1, 5 records.
5 records.
Okay, see, so we should say one answer. Okay, 4 or 5, 5 or 4.
5.
5.
Right, so see,
Five.
here,
into two.
so important. So 0 also record or not?
Record.
It's a record.
Sure.
Okay, so don't forget. So 0 is also a record
Record.
is there. Okay, see the same use case. So see, okay, so 2 records in the left table. So 2 records. So to the
4
4 records.
plus
Same
4.
thing. So see 1 into 1.
One.
Say 4 plus 1. Say 5
5
records.
records.
What about left join?
Yeah, it's 5 plus
5 only. 5 only.
5 only. 5 only.
Five,
What
five,
about right
five.
join? 5 plus?
6.
1.
5 plus 1,
That's
6 1.
Okay,
6.
got the pointer. Like this, so you can able to make it done. Okay, so whatever he's asking, we should say. Okay, so same thing. Now go back here. So we'll see the complicated one. So this one, anybody tried that? 1 second. Okay, see, if you see this is SBI thing. Okay, in SBI thing now what happens? So see, we should getting alphabet. See A, B, C like this. This is alphabetical, but India should get first. How can I get India should be first at the starting position? How to get? Simple thing. Okay, you need to
Case
put efforts.
statement. Order by
Case,
class.
case,
We
case.
should go for case statement and
Case
order by
statement.
class.
Order by class.
In the order by class, we should use the case condition statement. Okay, got the point. So this is important. See, if you see SBI now what happened? If you want to search in India, it will be at the bottom. Okay, can you scroll down? It's not possible. That's why. So see, they make it to India at the starting. Okay, got the point. See, so why they make India at the starting? Tell me reason.
So why? Because
branches
we are belongs to the India.
Because no,
By
we
default.
are India. Because no,
India's,
no,
we
if I
should,
want search in India, what happened? It should scroll down like this manually. It's not a tedious process. Instead of the thing, so they're putting Mercy can go for India. So how to get these values? So see, if I go for alpha, see India will coming at the middle somewhere. But what happened? How we should get India at the starting? Then we should go for case statement, order by and the case concept. We can able to get it done.
Praveen, if you don't mind, if you write a query for that.
Right, try and send. Okay, I've given something. Okay. You should explore. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, don't try. Okay. So this is the same use case. Now see, 1 second. Okay, these are similar. These are the questions asked in interviews only. Okay, see. So we are having left side. Okay, so there are totally 5 records in the left
5
side
records.
table. Tell me how many records are Energy?
Records.
5. 5.
No, no,
10.
not
10. 10.
10 records. Okay, 5 to 10
records.
records.
10.
What about left join?
10 plus.
10 only.
No, 10 records.
10 records only. So 10. What about right join? 10 plus?
10 plus
3.
3. 13.
13. Okay, now see this is when. Now this is one more question. Okay, now see. Okay, so they're having one table is there. X is the column. So they want to get sum of positive numbers, sum of negative numbers. So 6 plus 6 and minus 6 separate. See this is very important question. Okay, see ID is the column. So suppose like I'm having 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Now what requirements that word sum of. Okay, so it's a positive numbers. I want to get 6. Negative numbers I want to get minus 3. How to get?
Case statement.
So case statement. See before that how to do addition? Some
One,
function. So
Some
some function. Okay, but they want to get, see they want to get positive values, they want to get negative values. Then you should go for what? Conditions. Remember, whenever getting conditions, you should go for what concept?
Case.
Condition,
statement.
case
Case
statement and decode. See a decode won't work. We should go for case statement.
Case
So what's the
statement.
rules? So see case when
Case when
ID
ID
greater than 0,
greater
then
than 0.
ID else 0. Got the point. So this is one case statement. Go for others case statement. Okay. So let's say we can able to make it. So this is compulsory. Remember, aggregate function, analytical function, case, string functions. So the questions will be coming from this only joins concept only. Okay. See. So remember, SQL at least 2-3 questions are asking in interviews. Okay. So prepare well. Okay. Without SQL, we can't able to clear the interview. Okay. SQL is compulsory questions are asking. Okay. Sometimes they'll ask complicated question. No, nobody can able to do anything. Okay, we can go for other interview, simple thing. Okay, so see, got the point. So so because now all the companies they don't want SQL. Okay, so only some companies they want SQL. Okay, but remain guys, they want Snowflake should be strong. Okay, theory part and explanation part and theory part and explanation and scenario based, it should be clear. Okay, so got the point. If you have complicated SQL, then okay, we can go for other interviews. That's it. Okay, nobody can able to, because now like we'll prepare well, but what happened? Some complicated questions will come, but nobody can able to. Okay. See the same use case, go back here. Now once we complete now, we'll go for, okay, so now it's also the same thing. Now see the same use case, table A, table B is there. Okay, now see the same thing. Okay, let me take the screenshot. When you're learning, take the screenshot. So understand the concept. Remember, at last you should prepare notes. So finally, what you should convey clearly to the interview what is the concept and what you have answered. That is the main thing. So remember, understand the concept is not important. You should know how to implement, where to implement. Ultimately, you should say clearly to the interview. That is the main thing. Because God, if you know the subject, if you're not able to convey clear, then what happen? You will be rejected straight away. That's what's the thing. Okay. So prepare notes. Okay, after completion of the understanding, prepare notes and how to say, that's also very, very important. Okay, so see this is table A, table B. Now tell me what's the joining column?
ID.
ID is the joining column. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, joining column is the ID. Now what happens? So see the same thing. Inner join, how many records will get?
Four records.
Five.
4 records, huh? 4 or 5. Okay, so you should say
Five
only
records.
5 records. Out of 5 records, tell me. 5.
A1, B 2, 2 into
So see,
2 into
so see A 1 record for A. What about B? How many records for B?
For B, we have 2
1 into
records.
2, 1 into 2.
So 2 records.
Two
Okay, B 2
records.
records. What about C? How many records for C?
C
So
also
one-
2.
2 records. It
records.
is 1 plus 2 plus 2. It's a 5 records.
5
for this
records.
thing. Okay, so remember this type of questions. Think slowly. Okay, because don't be in hurry. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, see 5 records. What about left hand? 5 plus
5 plus
3, 8.
3. 3 records. No, 3 records. What about right hand? 5 plus
No, 5 only.
5 only.
Five.
So remember. So see, remember one more time. So only inner join should be calculated. So for left join, don't need to calculate again inner join because it's a
Yeah,
5
yeah.
plus 1, 5 plus 0. Okay, so one more time. So only calculate. Remember, inner join should be calculated correctly. If I put 4, no, 4 plus 0, answers will be wrong. So that's why inner join should be calculated correctly. Okay, one more time. So see A matching. So B 2 records. Okay, so 2 records. So C 2 records. So it is 5 records for 1 second. 5 records. What about left hand? So 5 plus directly addition. No need to do again plus. So it's a 5 plus 3, 5 plus 0. Then full is 5 plus 3 plus 0. Cross is nothing but what? 6, 6, starts 5, 5, 25, something like this. Got a point. So simple thing. Okay, so first inner join should take time. Remain well is simple and easy things. Got the point? Logic. Same thing. Go back here one more time. So this is same thing. Okay. See, like this only, these are the questions only they're asking. Okay, how many cards will be there? Okay, so table here. So A, B, C, D. What is the joining column? So name is the joining column. Okay, so joining column. Tell me how many cards for inner join? So think slowly and say correct
Four.
answer.
4
Inner join,
records.
inner join, not 4. 4, Why 4?
Yes, sir.
A1,
A1,
B1,
Okay.
Inner join 4.
C2, D4.
B1.
Remember, so sometimes if you say correct also the entry will say like okay wrong, but you should see clearly say okay. So if you know the subject, you should justify your answer. Say it's a correct 4 only because A 1 record, so B no record, C 2 record. So 1 plus 2 plus D. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 is a 4 record. What about left join? 4 plus
4 plus 2.
B. 1, 1, 5.
Plus 1.
1.
1 or 2?
4 plus 2.
2. Where is 2?
1, 1, B.
1 only, no, B. Okay, so 1.
Five.
Okay. So 4 plus, okay. Now we'll see the same thing. We'll close this topic. Okay. So if you're comfortable, go for nulls also. Okay, one more time. So we'll see the last one. Okay, see the same use case. So when you're going for left table, right table. Okay, so take left side table. Tell me, can you go like this? When you have less records, we can go for like this, but it is not correct. Okay, now left side table, 1, 2 ones are there, put 2 here. Okay, so these things you should do in the manual calculations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
So 2 7s are 14 records
14.
for 1. Okay, 1. Go for other color for understanding purpose, but real time now we don't have this thing. So we should do calculate 1, 2, 3, 4,
4.
1. 4 ones are 4. Okay.
4.
4. Okay, so same thing, go for other color. Okay, now see 4 is there, 4 is there. So 2 0, 2 into 0, it's a 4 is not there. So we don't go for 4. So 5 is a 1. So it is 14 plus 4 plus it's a 19 records for
19
inner
records.
join.
Inner join.
And what about left join? 19 plus
19 plus
19 plus
19 plus 2.
2. So 2 4s are there. 2. So 19 plus 2. So 2. 19 plus 2. Okay, these
21.
all things should do in the mind thing. 19 plus 2. What about right join? 19 plus
19 only. 19 only.
19 only.
19
Okay,
plus
what
0.
about full join? Inner join plus
21.
19 plus 2
19
plus
plus 2.
21.
2 plus 0. So this is
0.
fine, no issues. Now come back to one more concept. So see, so this is fine, no issues. Now come back to here. Okay, see the same use case. So put here. Okay. Now say put the color, different color. Now what happened? I have used here. So null. So null. So this is not string. This is normal null. Okay. Null is there. Okay. So two nulls are there. Okay. Now question is that what? See, tell me what is inner join. Discuss so far. Let's say ID1. Tell me. So 1 1
31.
2 2 3 3
3.
3 3. Okay. So 5 5 is not there. Okay. Same thing. Now tell me null will be null equal. This null is null
No,
equal.
no, no,
No. What
no.
we discussed so far? Tell me nulls. What discuss? Null is nothing.
Null.
Or
Nothing.
no
No
value.
dot,
No
no
value. Okay.
value.
See. So one null cannot be
Be
equal to
other
another
null.
another null. Okay. So this is one. And one more thing is that what? So in inner join, important inner join, no nulls will get. Okay, this is important. Got the point? So in inner join, there won't be any nulls will be populated. So this is important. Clear so far?
Yeah.
Okay, same thing. What about left join? So left join is a combination of inner join plus remain records. What are the remain records? So see, four
Null,
records are not will getting null value.
Null
Okay, what
values.
about this? Tell me, null is also record. So null is there.
Null.
What about
Null
right
into null.
table?
Null.
Okay, this null.
No, no, no.
No, this is different null. Okay, so you got the point. See, so 4 null, so not this null. So 4 records are will getting null value. So null. So this is null. Same thing. What about right join? I'll explain one more time. So see, that is a combination of inner join plus remain records from left to table. So we're getting, so see, 5. Before that, we'll get null 5.
Null.
Null 5. Tell me how many nulls we should take? Only one or two nulls?
Two nulls we here today.
So we should take, so remember, so this
Two
is also
nulls.
record. So this is also record, this is also record. Now we should consider, so now we'll get null, null. Okay, got the pointer. So nulls, nulls. Okay, got the pointer. One more time. So see, very, very important. In inner joins, there won't be any nulls. In outer join, okay, nulls will be populated. Nulls will be populated. Okay. And one more thing, see, if you have 10 nulls, okay, 10 nulls, we should consider 10 nulls. So 10, so remember, so this also a record. So see, this also record, this also, we should consider both the nulls. Okay, one more time. So remove all this value. Okay, inner join, common records. Okay, see, put the common color for all things. Okay, now, so what about left join? So remain records from which records remaining? So 4, if records are not, will get null value. So if null is there, if record on will get null. So this is different null. What about right join is a combination of inner join plus remain records will get null 5, again null, null, again null, null. Got the point. What about full join? Full join is a combination of inner join plus, tell me, it's a combination of inner join plus, tell me, inner join plus remain records from left table and remain records from right table. Okay, we'll see the same use case, we'll get some clarity. So see, so copy the same value. So remain records from right table and remain records from the left to table. Okay, what about full cross and tell me how many records for cross in?
You will just multiply.
So 5. So here null, so see 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 5. Same thing 4 1. So same thing null 1 null 2 null 3 null 5 null null null. So this is, so simply it's a multiplication of 5 6 30 records, 30 records. Okay, see 5 into 6 30 records, 30 records. Got the point? So it's a simply multiplication. Remember here, so inner joins there won't be nulls, and in left join if you have 10 nulls we should consider 10 nulls. Got the point? That's the main thing. And so except inner join we'll get all the records will be there. Got the point? So clear so far? So this is same thing. Now go back here to the use case. We can able to conclude this topic. Okay. So compulsory questions will be there are nulls or without nulls. Okay. So see the same case. Those who are attending for interviews, you can able to get the things. Okay. Okay. See the same use case. 1 second. Okay. See the same use. Now see. So table A, table B. So 1 1 2 2 3 3. Now what happened? Tell me. So it's a inner join. So 2 to the 4, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2. So this is fine. What about here? Tell me. So second table, how many records for inner join?
2,
3 records.
2
How
plus
many? How
Three.
many? 3. So see, so 2
two.
ones are, okay, 1 ones it is 3 records for inner join. What about left join? 3 plus
3 plus null. 1.
1. 3
One.
plus 1. What about right join? 3 plus
3 plus 2.
2.
2.
2.
What about full join? 3 plus 1 plus 2.
3.
Okay, so what about cross join? So simply 4 4s are 16 records. 16 records. Okay, so inner join, conclusion, inner join, no nulls will get. That's was the main thing. Okay, go back here. So these are the questions like this only. They'll give the same thing and they want to find number of records for each join. Okay. Tell me. So this is one question. So see, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5. Tell me how many records? 6, 6, 4. Tell me how many records for inner join?
24 records.
24. What about left join?
Left join 24.
24.
24.
Okay, see, it's a 24. What about right join?
24 plus 1.
2. 2.
Next say
24 plus
2.
6.
2.
And then
24
Okay, so same.
plus 2.
24.
Plus
What
two.
about
26.
right join?
24 plus 2.
2.
Okay, so this is fine. Okay, see the same thing. So like this. Okay, see same use case. Now tell me, you will see this topic. Well, tomorrow we'll see the definition, the syntaxes, all the thing. Tell me, inner join how many records?
4, 16.
16 records. 16.
Tell me how many records for inner join for?
16
16.
records.
everything for the first table.
4
So see,
into 4.
for the first result set, say 16 for all the ranks or for C. 1 second, let me take the screenshot. Okay, see the same thing. Now what happened? So see, okay, so it's a how many cards? 4 for the 16 for what? Only inner join?
Records.
For all.
All join.
For all,
For
for all
four.
the join. For cross, I think it's a 16 records.
16.
What about these other values?
So
9.
9.
9 records, 9 records for inner
Nine.
join. What about
Inner
left
join.
join? 9 plus?
9 plus 1.
Okay, what about right join? 9 plus 0.
9 records.
9 plus 9 records.
Okay, go for last set. Tell me. How many cards for inner join? No, think slowly. Okay.
3 records.
3 records.
3, yeah. So 2 ones are 1 ones. Okay, what about left?
Yeah.
3 plus
3 plus
3 plus
3. 3.
3. Okay, 3 only. Got the point. Same thing. Okay, we'll see one last question. We'll close this topic. Okay, so this is compulsory question. We'll see tomorrow the syntax. Okay. Okay, see this question also like this only. The questions are like previous batch only. Okay. Tell me, same thing.
records.
How many?
4.
4.
4 or 3? Yeah.
4, sir. 4 records. 3.
for inner join 4.
Tell me.
2.
Is
4
what?
records, sir.
Inner
4
join.
records. 4,
Okay,
sir.
so 2 ones are 2.
2,
2 1 to the 1 to the 2. 4.
4.
What
4
about left
records.
gen? What about left gen?
Records
4
and
plus
2.
2. 4
6
plus
records.
4. Okay, okay, got it. Okay.
6.
Same thing. Now we'll see one last question. Okay, see, go back here. So like this is the previous questions only. If we are able to see, we can able to get it. Okay, see the same thing. Okay, so this question is often asked in SQL interviews, and interview may try to confuse with multiple scenarios. Okay, take see this one. How many cards for inner join?
Records. Hello? 6.
Tell me how many?
6 records.
6 records. Okay, 3 to the 6 records. Okay, what about left join?
6 plus
10 records.
So 10 records. 6 plus 4. Okay, what about right hand? 6 plus
6
Six.
plus
3. 3. 6 plus
3.
3.
3, 9 records. 3 not null plus 2 4.
Yes,
So
sir.
3 records. Okay, same thing. One thing you'll say wrong answer only. See. Tell me how many cards? Tell me how many cards for Energen? Okay, 1 is there, 2 is there. Praveen, how many Praveens are there?
6.
6
Sir,
records.
it is
6
different
plus 3.
data types, right?
9.
Data
9.
types are different.
No, we can able to convert. No worries. Okay, can able to. I would assume like this is varchar.
6 plus 3.
7 records, sir.
7 records.
6 plus 3.
No, tell me Energen how many cards?
6 plus 3. 9 records. 9 records.
9 records.
No,
See one more time.
No, sir.
Now then what's the answer?
No, sorry, sir.
4.
No,
7
sorry.
records, sir. Exactly 7, sir.
7 records. Okay, see
4
remember
plus
we are
3.
We are
Seven,
data
seven.
engineers. We should see the data
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
completely.
7 records.
Okay, now tell me what happened. So see here,
Seven.
Praveen sir,
7 records. 7
7
Praveen sir,
records.
records. 7.
Praveen
Inner
sir.
Jagan.
Case
Okay,
sensitive,
see.
sir. 1.
So see here. So 2 Praveens are there. See here, 2 Praveens are there. So Praveen won't come because
Yeah, yeah.
see, because what the reason is that what? Okay, so see
Last
here data
character.
is case sensitive. Case sensitive. So 2 2s are 4 records. So 4 records and plus 3 7 records. Got the point?
7.
7. What about left hand? 7 plus
7 plus.
In
11.
7 plus. Okay, not 11.
7. 14 records.
7 plus 7 plus
14
7.
plus 2,
Okay,
9.
14.
14 records.
14 records.
yeah, yeah.
Not 11. No, no, not 7. 7 plus 6 only. No?
Yeah, 13 records.
13. So 13 records.
13.
What about right hand? 7 plus
7 plus 9 records.
7 plus. No, no, not 9.
7 plus 3, 10
7
records.
plus 3, 10 records. Okay, see, that's what. Okay, see, when you're saying, no, make calculation correctly. So remember, you
Yeah.
should give one answer only ultimately. Don't say one or the other. Okay, so do the calculation. Once you're comfortable, go for other calculations. Got the point? So clear so far? End notes as now. Tell me last one. So tell me. So this is questions. 2 questions they have asked. Okay, so see, 2 questions should say the answer. Tell me. Energy.
9 records.
4 2s are 8.
9
9
records.
records.
9 records.
9
Okay.
records.
9 records. 9 records. What about left? 9 plus?
1.
9 plus 1.
1.
Okay.
10.
1.
This is
10.
when. What about last one? Tell me last one. So
Case
select a
when
case
null-
when
It is not correct.
output
sir.
is one.
2,
Output
sir.
is
2.
2.
2.
Suppose like I
2.
want to get 1 as output. Then how to make as 1 output?
Null
That
is
means
null.
is
Is
Null
null.
is null. Null is null. Okay. Apart from is null, is there any other option? I want to get 1 as output. Tell me.
Oh, yes.
so
Well, so
we
one
can
second.
use NVL of null comma
One
0.
second. Case when null equal to null. What happened?
Null.
Tell me. Null equal to null. Then 1.
1.
Tell me what's output will get as of now.
2, sir.
As of now, we will get
No. 2 is where
no,
is it 2? Nothing is there. What's
No,
output?
no,
Null.
null.
Null will get. Okay, so same thing. Suppose like same value. Now this is only true condition. Now I'm handling false condition also. Now else 2. On output will be 2.
2.
Output will be 2. Now question is that what I want to get out as 1. How to get out as 1?
NVL of null comma 0.
Null is null. Okay, so it will be 1. Same thing without
1.
using is null. Is there any option?
NVL will go NVL.
NVL, you can go for NVL. So null handling. So
NVL of,
NVL,
yeah, NVL
comma,
of null comma 0.
comma 0 or anything you can be able to.
Yeah,
Okay, so
yeah, NVL of
NVL of comma 0.
Null.
Okay, we can go for like this way, or we can go for co-else function also. We
co-else
can go for.
also.
Okay, like this way. So the concept, if you know the concept, we can able to play. That's it. Okay, say the same thing. Comma Praveen, I given Praveen. Okay, same thing. What is output? Tell me. Output is what?
1.
1 only. So I making co-else say output will be 1 only. Got the point? See. Now I want to give column only as. So see output will be 1 only. Got the point? Clear so far? Yes, and I get the point. So like this, like things, no, like understand the concept. It's a simple and easy thing. Okay.